Hello? Okay. Whew. I have to literally set everything. Oh my god. Legit. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh. Yep. Oh, hello, I'm new here. Hello, I'm new. Hi, hello. Welcome. Oh, I'm so tired. Hi, hello. Hi, Cody. Cody gun, hello. Okay. Lots of new chatters in here. I know. Hi, welcome. Oh. This is fun. Oh, oh, wait, my hands. Oh god. Oh. Hello. Should I even get a... I don't think I'm gonna bother getting new him, but they're not... They're acting up. Whatever. If it work, if work. Okay. I'm really starting to like the new hairstyle. Will it become a regular thing? You actually like this new hairstyle? You do? I mean, I did pick this one just for this outfit. I didn't expect you to like it though. I didn't expect you actually like would prefer like me with this hairstyle. The hairstyle is fabulous though. Maybe it's because of like I've always actually been using like short hair most of the time, so that's why. I think. Oh, what's wrong with my left hand controller? Hi, hello. Do you like any kind of hairstyle? Well, that really depends. I have like some like that I actually prefer, but there's some that I haven't actually got the chance to use. I think. Hey, how is it going today? I'm also new here. Hello, hi, hello. There's a lot of new people here actually. Oh my goodness. Hi. Welcome everyone. Hi. Hello. You're not new. Hi everyone, welcome to stream by the way. Hey, I'm new but I have seen your videos. I noticed you're very new here. Welcome to stream by the way. Hello. Hi Corey. I forgot to actually do my intro. For those who are here, for those who actually just got here and new and just followed. You know? For those who just arrived, for those who just came, can I get a hi? Can I get a hello? Can I get a greetings from every single one of you? Oh, I've seen you. Oh, hi, KB. Mad Max, hi. Hello. Hi, Murphy's One Law. Hi, Hellcat. 5-star camo. Little Noob Stata. Bear Wanderer. Anime fan. Fanatic Paro. Itoilage. Kerberist. Rise and Carry. Assassin. Travi Patty. Drews in Store. Elytrion. Sounds like the monster that I fought in Monster Hunter World. Junior. Fezzy02. High Zero. SJN for Fury. Lemon Creed. Tommy. The Only Akko. Piss Off Neighbor. It's like it's so hard. Hayate Fabuta. Hello. And for the people who are new today, welcome to you as well. Hi. Hey, what VR do you use? I might get the same. It's kind of a bit expensive though. It's a Valve Index. It's real. Hi, Lister Lord. The one that I'm using is super expensive, but if you want to try out like just for a cheap one, but still good, you get a Quest 3, I think. Either Quest 2 or Quest 3, but Quest 3 is the newest one. So look into that or look up some reviews, you know? Hi, Carbon Base. Hi, Doomsday. I'm getting candy and you're not. Hello. Exo Mixon. Benui. Hello. Love when people try to pronounce French. I mean, not really. I don't really try to pronounce French. I just say your name, Itoilege. That's all. I mean, I'm from Malaysia. I don't really try to bother to actually spell it correctly. If you don't actually like tell me how to pronounce it. How was your day? Oh shit. Hi Cosmic, hello. What the hell? What? Nothing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're from LA? Pretty close to my country. Hi. Can we actually say thank you to Cosmic for actually supporting our channel? Thank you so much, by the way, Cosmic. I really appreciate it. Thank you. No. Love your avatar. Thank you. Thank you so much. Also, we got our stuff. A kiss. Someone just redeemed a kiss to homie, by the way. I'm still not to the sub goal. Is it not? Oh, I think it will renew. I don't know how fast it will renew, but it will. You just have to wait just a tiny bit, I think. Don't give me more. Don't waste too much of your money on me, though. Hola, ¿cómo estás? How do I say I'm good? Or, well, I don't know. Thank you, Matt Max. Finally, after for so long, I've gotten back to 30. Oh, nice. You rematch. You never miss me, huh? Estoy bien? Yes. Estoy bien, gracias. Estoy bien, gracias. For the fall, for the teletype. Wait, hold on. Someone just redeemed a kiss, homie. Okay. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Everyone kiss the homie. Wow. Hi, Cuddle Bunny. Hello. Hi, Tex5. Hello. Hi, Show Ninja. Average Boyfu. The only gotta love your homies. That's true. That's true. If it doesn't get to the sub goal in 30 minutes, I'm gonna drop another. It's gonna do it. 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 Don't worry. Don't worry. Oh my god. Thank you though. Okay. Oh, Telweb. Hi, mate. Hi, mate. Hello. Dish. Dish. Thank you, Tag. Hi, Omega Core. I'm actually doing well. My stomach is actually doing good now. At least that's nice. That's good to know. Other than that, oh, hi, Novanai. Hello, hello, Leroy. That's good to hear. YouTube official Snow. Hi, hello, welcome. Hello everyone, welcome to stream, by the way. Hi. I would like to actually say thank you, Cosmic, for the 50 gifted sub, and Twitch for the 7th gifted sub, by the way. Thank you so much. I believe today is actually the last day for September, no? You know what? I'm not gonna hold it against you guys. You guys go crazy if you guys want to, though. What's wrong with tummy ADC? I got food poison actually 2 days ago, but I'm okay now. With all disrespect, if you ever want to make a music, hit me up. Music or movie? Gitu. Click mods. Hello. Everybody say hi to Kitu. Say hi to my mute. To my friend. Say hi to my lovely mute friend. Do you know my name, Bin? Yeah. We know each other. Hi, Saucy. Hello. Hi. Again, for the people who just got here, welcome. I'll welcome you all. Welcome. Hi. Hi, QB. Oh my gosh, you're so nice and kind. Oh my goodness, QB. Oh my god, you're so kind. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Haven't been here in a year. What are these rewards? I don't worry about it. I can add. No! A gift sub can fix that. Ooh! That's a 2-3 emote. Pog. Can we get a P-O-G-G? Pog. Pog. No one's crazy enough for that. I hate to use this power, but can we snipe this person called KB76 a sub? Hi, first streamer here. What's up? Everybody say hi to Tony Mike. They came in with their 2-3 sub without even saying hi first. You're crazy. You're crazy. Oh my god. Thank you though, honestly, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mike! Tony! 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 Wait, Tony, I didn't expect you to actually give 2-3. Oh my, that's a lot. That's big. Oh my god. God damn. Oh my god. Also, an anonymous gifter, thank you so much. Whoever you are, thank you so much for sub for a Nightbot. Thank you so much. Thank you. Brother, what's going on here? We're not even 30 minutes. I know. And here I am, not even actually going to be trying my best to stream 4 hours because I know my ass is going to be tired actually. Thank you. Hi, KFT Cafe Tea or KFT66. Oi. Hola. Hola. Is this VR chat? Yes, it is. But yes. But then again, thank you so much, Tony. I really appreciate it, by the way. Thank you so much. Thank you. Also, Cosmic, look. See, it changes, okay? So you don't have to give me no more. Oh, Booba Stomp. We should do a Booba Stomp. Hold on. Wait, hold on. Oh, you saw the Booba Stomp, but not the Rar? Rar. Hi, tight vibe evening. Hello. Rar. Hi, X-Men. Hello. Welcome. Booba Stomp. Booba Stomp. Bish, bish,
so many
bish.
new viewers today.
Bish, bish, bish. Bish, bish. Okay. Whoa! Wait, also X-Men, thank you so much for 100 bits, by the way. You know what? You wouldn't dare. But no, thank you. First of all, thank you. That's crazy. You guys are nuts. You guys are freaking nuts for that. Also, Twitch, thank you so much for the 7 gifts up, by the way. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm gonna be like Tristan. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's so Evine. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I don't even know what to say and how to react. Oh my god. Oh, Sivan and Natsasia too. Thank you so much for the follow, by the way. Hello. Hi. Rio CRZX. Hello. Welcome. Hey. Blue Navy Ho. Hi. Neandro 18. Hoi hoi. Hello. Yo. Oh my god, so many new people. Hi. Tony, thank you so much for the 20 gifted sub, by the way. You're nuts. But thank you. Jester, yes, I know it is a boy, but her avatar is a girl. Yeah, I know. I just like me some hot girls, you know, in games. I have preferences. You know how it is, even though I'm a femboy IRL, which is why I kind of actually call myself a boyfu. A boyfu is just what I'm doing right now. You know, I'm a femboy, but also, I mean, I guess you don't have to be a femboy. I kind of just made that term myself for fun. Doesn't have to be serious, because I'm using a waifu model, and I'm actually a boy IRL. And now when you combine those two together, I'm like, damn, boyfu. You know? I think it's like, it has a nice like words to it, you know? Hazel TRNS, hello. Hi Hazel. Wonder what the highest hype train is so far. I think it's 15. I think it's actually 15. I don't like streams that are like overrealized. I never actually heard the word overrealized before. What is that? What is overrealized? It's an interesting way to put it together. 300 IQ words. So first time saying ADC. What do we normally? You see, I am not actually that family friendly to watch. I guess like you could say you could put me like among the people that are like, oh my gosh, these streamers are ruining Twitch and something like that. Actually, I'm kind of lewd myself, and I make sure to actually like make myself clear that, you know, if anything, it depends on how you actually looked at me, like how you actually perceive me, or what's your judge towards me, you know. So yeah, no, I do like to dance or just vibe to music, as I would like to say it. I like to sing. I love to sing, even though I kind of lost the ability to sing good. But you know, what else? I like to play games. I feel like the games that I actually enjoy playing on stream was like either, see, I'm a nerd myself, like I'm really are, even though like I can be lewd. sexy and all that stuff actually on stream. I do actually like to enjoy myself some Tekken 8. I've been playing a lot of Final Fantasy 14 recently for like more than a month. And I play some of the game as well. Apparently I'm actually quite okay and decent in the finals. And I don't know, like what do I do, guys? I don't know all of that. Hi Kilogram. How do we look at you? Don't you control the cam? POV? You're right, I do. It's a bit difficult though, because like I'm my own cameraman basically, you know? It's crazy, like you don't really get like this kind of like quality VTuber stream actually, like, you know, for like VTubers and stuff. It's a bit difficult. But we get it done, you know? Zoom out. Zoom in. Oh. Do you like to make dessert? I like to cook. I was actually a cook at my dad's restaurant. Yes. Most of the time I actually cook with the wok hay, you know? You dance, play video games, and VR chat, something I like. I'm glad. Better than play WoW 24 hours 7. Hey, don't say that. Even though I don't play WoW, but still. We're honestly the same. We like to eat tables. We're a bit silly, and we like to drink uranium. Oh, that's not me. What avatar you like to wear? I'm kind of lazy to actually change to another because for now I wanna wear this Brazilian outfit. I don't know how many of you are actually from Brazil, but I got you. And you also do unboxing? Oh, unboxing? No, I don't really do unboxing that much. But I mean, I did actually like unboxes like one of those like anime figurines. You know what? I actually bought a cabinet. I built it myself. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of don't mind that it's actually not a glass panel, it's actually acrylic. I don't know how many of you guys here in my streams right now actually has like a cabinet for your anime figurines. I don't know if you actually have it with acrylic panels or windows, like glass windows. I guess it's actually better to actually have it with acrylic, right? Glasses scratches a lot? Are you sure? Wait, hold on. Isn't acrylic panel actually like scratches a lot? Or am I wrong? Brazil mentioned? Hi. But real, YSM, but real, hello. Speaking of Avatar, have you thought of a new style or theme you want to go for Halloween? No, I'm actually completely clueless. Actually, what kind of, you know, outfit that I'm actually going for. So, favorite game? Ghost of Tsushima. I know it's actually getting another game, which is Ghost of Yotei, so we'll see how that goes. I'm probably gonna love it. But yes, I love Ghost of Tsushima, Cyberpunk, Star Ocean Second Story, Harvest Moon, Back to Nature, Nier Automata, which is actually my #1 favorite game, Monster Hunter World. Monster Hunter World is actually gonna be coming out in next year, and Final Fantasy 14. I can't believe I actually put, you know what, honestly, Final Fantasy 14 might be my my newest favorite game actually ever. Insomniac Spider-Man. What are the games that I actually like that I like to play? What others? Is there others? I used to actually think that Dishonored was actually Dishonored. You know, the assassin, like a game that actually better than Assassin's Creed. You know, Dishonored. You know, like the Dishonored, which I feel like, in my opinion, is actually a lot more better than Assassin's Creed. You should play Dishonored. You should play this. Listen. I know. I'm not supposed to speak my opinion. No, not For Honor. Dishonored. Try Dishonored out. If you ever play like Assassin's Creed, go try out Dishonored. I'm gonna tell you, it's a fucking masterpiece. It's, when it comes to Assassin's game, I feel like, listen, I know Assassin's Creed is like, you know, like it's like, how do you say it? It's like it's big, right? But I feel like people often forget how beautiful and most, like, best game, actually, like the game that actually, like, doesn't make it up there. The one, Dishonored 1 is God. The 2, I don't know. The reason why I don't actually play the second one, I have, but I've played on stream. It just crashes. I don't know why. It's some certain mission that actually crashes at that one part, and I'm like, I cannot play it anymore, and I feel like that's why I left it. I might be able to actually, you know what? I feel like I should probably, like, play it from the start. I played Ghost of Tsushima. Is it similar? I know. Have you tried Project Moon games, Lobotomy Corp, Library of Ruina? No, I haven't. I played Ghost of Tsushima. So hi, random pair. Hello. Okay, honestly, what are the games that I actually like to play? So, okay, hold on. Harvest Moon, Back to Nature. Second, Star Ocean, Second Story. Insomniac Spider-Man. Ghost of Tsushima. Nier Automata. Final Fantasy 14. Elden Ring? I played it till the end. Yes, even you know, the DLC, the Shadow of the Earth Tree. I can't say that Elden Ring is actually my favorite. I'm so sorry. Should I get Dishonored? It's so cheap. You can buy it right now. It's actually so good. It's actually so good. Don't set your expectation way too high. All I can say is try it for yourself and expect nothing. That's all I can say. Did I say any other games? Oh, wait. Oh my gosh, I forgot. Cyberpunk, yes. Oh, Star Wars Survivor. I actually enjoy that. Monster Hunter World 2. Yes, yes. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. You played The Binding of Isaac? Ooh. I don't think I actually played that, considering I was so little. I was such a child. I was a kid when I actually started playing that game. And I don't have PC. Red Dead Redemption 2? I'm not into it. I don't think I actually ever played like a lot of games that actually makes GTA. I don't know. Oh, God Eater. Oh, such a childhood game. Hi, Harima. Have you played RP GTA? I'm not into GTA or RP in GTA, so no. Doom Eternal. I never grew up with actually playing Doom, so I never really get it. But you know what? The thing is, we streamed like Doom 2016 actually on stream. I never really get to finish it because I don't understand it. I don't know if it's okay for me to actually try Doom Eternal if I haven't finished Doom 2016. Should I bother, or like, should I bother actually finish 2016 first and then play Doom Eternal, or should I just fuck it, just play Doom Eternal? I don't know. Hi. Can you spell red for us, please? R-E-D? R-E-D? Hi, Anime Funreg. Up to you, though. The story might leave you lost if you don't finish 2016, but like, really? Also, oh. Wait, hold on. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. There you go. Oh, it doesn't hit. Ah. Also, random pearl. YSM but real. For the people who actually followed me today, thank you so much, by the way. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. How you been, AD, in chat? How I'm doing? Have you got any more new figures? Nope. I haven't yet, but I will. If there's one last, if there's one model that I actually want to have on my top priority list, is 2B from Nier Automata, but it's so fucking hard to actually get the most, literally just a nice looking figurine of 2B. Actually, I really want to get a really good one, you know? I just don't know any website for it, legitimately. You know? I still want to know if you'll have a new theme outfit for Halloween. We'll see. That's all I can say. I can't say for sure if I'm gonna have the time, because I don't want to put too much pressure on my friend who's actually willing to actually become my avatar editor. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, should I start with Nier Replicant or straight into Nier Automata? Depending, because I don't know which one actually come first.